Hello everybody, it's David here with another video recap for my DTE0 trading strategy. Wednesday 23rd of March 2022. Summary, profitable day again for me with a profit of $145 in total with 2 trades taken today, and capital at risk was $5,000 and capital or premium captured was $135. So a return on the day of 3% annualized, 450% annualized return. Consistently hitting those types of annualized return each day, which is awesome for me. So the 2 trades I took, I'll talk through. The first one I took was an iron butterfly that I took on the ES Mini futures contract last night, 10 to 8 in the evening. The arrow I have here is around the time I took the trade. And I took a bearish iron butterfly because I felt that after this large upward movement over the past few days, week, I felt that we were due a little bit of a corrective move. The bigger picture, I still think that the market is in a downtrend. I think the large institutions, hedge funds, are still selling the market, and I think the retailers are buying the market at this point based on the information that I can see. So I'm still of a view that we're going to see some price action to the downside in the near future. So bigger picture, you've got things like Ukraine, you've got the inflation, you've got interest rates hikes, you've got Fed balance sheet. So you still have a macroeconomic and geopolitical level, some negativity. So combine that with the technicals, which I'll show you in a second. I felt that a bearish play today was a good option. So when I was watching the price last night, I could see that price was hitting this resistance line here, which coincides with this volume node. This volume node is an area where the market has seen a lot of activity in the past. And what tends to happen with a volume node is that price will reach the volume node and then spend some time here because the market sees lots of value here. And then there is a good chance that after a lot of consolidation, the market will then come back down to another volume node. So if you were to remove these 4 bearish candles, I was looking at the market last night around about here, this green candle, and I felt that the market was going to come back down again to this volume node here around 4450. So I placed an iron butterfly at the 4450 strike price with 25 point wide legs to the either side. So it was a 4450, 4475, 4425 spread. And so that was quite a large target area, and I felt there was a good opportunity to make some money on that. So fast forward to today, and if I had held that trade all the way to expiry, the price would have finished around 4449, and I would have made at the bell nearly $1,100. However, I decided to take that trade off at 8:30 this morning, and I was able to take a profit of $65, which is infuriating me, but a profit is a profit. So as you can see, the trade was opened here at 1951 for $90 and closed at 8:32 this morning for a credit of 155, netting me a total profit of $65. Okay, so that was my iron butterfly trade for today and the reasons why I took the trade and how I managed the trade. My lesson learnt is I need to have some confidence in my ability of sticking to the technical analysis and the high level analysis and just seeing the trade out. Okay, so the second trade I took was what should have been the first of two legs for an iron condor. So I got into the iron condor, or I should say the first leg of the iron condor, 14:21 this afternoon. I was able to start looking at the market around then, so I decided to get in for the last hour and a half. And so I was able to open up the first leg, put spread for $95. However, as the market was progressing, I wasn't able to get the call leg in because I just couldn't get the credit, and it wasn't worth the risk for the credit that I was going to receive. So I decided in the end just to stick with the single put spread, and I was able to take that off for $15 and make a profit of $80. So overall today, two trades and a profit of $145 for the day on $5,000 of risk. Friday I should be back to normal and able to trade the usual way. However, I do want to continue to look at these iron butterflies because they are an awesome trade if they work. They're an asymmetric trade, which means that if I risk one, I can receive upwards of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In today's case, it would have been 10 times the risk. So I risked $180. I could have made over $1,000. Whereas with my iron condor trades, I'm risking 3x to make 1. So I'm risking 3 to make 1. With the iron butterflies, I'm risking 1 to make 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, admittedly, I won't have as high a success rate with the iron butterflies, but to be honest, with the risk, the ratio, you don't need to make, you don't need a high success rate to make profit on those. So I'm going to, as I say, I'm going to focus a little bit more on those iron butterflies as we move forward, but still continue to look at the iron condor trades as well. Anyway, I hope this video has been of some use, some value to you. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and please ask any questions. If there's anything that you think I should be covering in the video, please let me know. And I hope you all had a great Wednesday trading day. Thanks for listening and watching. Cheers everybody. Bye.